Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. And today we are going to help you talk about your daily routine in English.
Yes, this is a super important topic because every day people ask us, what do you do every day? Or what's your routine?
And if you can answer clearly in English, wow, you will sound more natural, more confident, and people will understand you better.
Exactly. So stay with us, grab a notebook, and practice with us today. And hey, don't forget...
Yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Okay, Paul, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about daily routines.
So, Paul, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is wake up. Then I get up.
Ah, that's a great point. Friends, listen carefully. There's a difference between wake up and get up.
Yes. Wake up means you open your eyes. Ding ding, you're awake. But maybe you are still in bed.
And get up means you move, you leave the bed, you stand up.
Exactly. So let's practice. Repeat after me, everyone. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Now repeat. I get up at 7:15.
Nice. Now, Emily, what do you do next?
I usually go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Classic morning routine. I do the same. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, handsome."
Oh, Paul, do you really say that?
Of course. Motivation, Emily. Motivation.
Okay, friends, let's practice these phrases together. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Great. Now, after brushing your teeth, what's next?
Next, I take a shower.
Nice. Some people take a shower in the morning. Some take a shower at night.
That's right. And after a shower, I usually get dressed. That means I put on my clothes.
Yes. Let's practice. I take a shower, I get dressed.
Now, the best part, breakfast.
Food. Yes. I have breakfast every morning. Sometimes I eat eggs, sometimes toast, sometimes cereal.
And don't forget coffee. Paul loves his coffee.
Guilty. Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Okay, friends, repeat after us. I have breakfast. I drink coffee. Now, quick question for you, audience. What do you eat for breakfast? Write it in the comments below. Okay, after breakfast, many people go to work or school.
Yes, so we can say I go to work, or I go to school.
Exactly. For example, I go to work at 8:30, or I go to school at 9.
And how do you go? You can say I go by car, I go by bus, I walk to school.
Yes, that's important vocabulary. Friends, let's repeat. I go to work by car, I walk to school, I go to school by bus.
Emily, how do you usually go to work?
I usually go to work by train. I love reading on the train.
Nice, I usually drive. But sometimes, traffic is terrible.
Traffic. We all hate traffic.
True.
So once you arrive at work or school, what do?
Well, I start work at 9 o'clock.
Yes. And students can say, I start class at 9 o'clock.
Exactly. At work, I usually check my emails.
Oh, yes. And maybe you have meetings.
Too many meetings, Emily. Too many.
Laughs. Okay, friends, let's practice. I start work at 9 o'clock. I check my emails. I have a meeting.
And what about school? You can say, I have math class. I study English. I read a book.
Good. And don't forget, we also have lunch.
Yes. Usually around 12 or 1 o'clock.
Repeat after us. I have lunch at 12:30.
Emily, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a salad or a sandwich.
Healthy. I usually eat pizza.
Laughs. Every day?
Well, not every day, but often.
Okay, friends. What do you eat for lunch? Write it in the comments.
So after lunch, we go back to work or class.
Yes. At work, you can say, I work on the computer. I make phone calls. I talk to my coworkers.
At school, you can say, I write in my notebook. I listen to the teacher. I do homework.
Perfect. And then finally, we finish work or finish school.
Right. For example, I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Repeat after us. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I finish school at 3 o'clock.
Now let's talk about the evening.
Yes. After work, I usually go home.
Me too. And then I relax.
I sometimes cook dinner.
Sometimes, not always.
Well, sometimes I order food.
Laughs. Me too. Okay, friends, let's practice. I go home. I relax. I cook dinner. I order food.
Now, after dinner, I usually watch TV or read a book.
Nice. I usually play video games or watch YouTube videos.
Of course you do.
Yes, of course.
And then, at night, I take a shower again.
I usually just brush my teeth at night.
And then, finally, we go to bed.
Yes. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Repeat after us. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Okay, friends, let's review all the important daily routine phrases we learned today.
Yes, repeat after us.
I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work. I go to school. I go by car. / I go by bus. I walk to school. I start work. / I start class. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I study English. I read a book. I have lunch. I go home. I finish work. I finish school. I relax. I cook dinner. I order food. I watch TV. I play video games. I go to bed. Great job, everyone.
Wow, Emily, that was fun. We covered a lot of useful phrases today.
Yes. Now, friends, here's your homework. Write your daily routine in English in the comments below. Start with, I wake up, and write step by step.
Yes, and remember, practice every day. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you next time.